how things are in two different ways. I was explaining this in one of the teachings this week. We gave you cup number 1. We gave you cup number 2. The word CF Wang Lin is clinical fatigue. FM is fibromyalgia. I can see the word popping up. Cup number 1. Cup number 2. Cup 1 and cup 2. We call it the cup of man. Parallel. The world of science starts with fields. You need 2 fields to interact. You need 2 fields to interact to give you a plasma. This is the field theory, or magnetic field effect. This is plasma technology. The next step is what we call this as cup number 3, or system number 3. These are 1 and 1, or 2 and 2. And the interaction of the 2, 1 and 2 has given us, the point 3, 2, not 3. I do apologize. Which is this one. In the coming teaching, in other combination of 2s, when we put, let's say, 2A and the 2B, the combination of 2s will give us what we know in the world of science as physics. 2 plasmas, each created from interaction of the fields, give you an atom, which is physics. Before that, they're just plasmas and fields. In the interaction of the 2s, 2 2s, which you got the physics, which become number 3. Now, if I put 2 3s together, you get chemistry. And if I put 2 4s together, you get biology. And if I put 2 5s together, you get the soul of physicality. And if I put the two sixes together, we get the soul of the man. And if I put the soul of the man together, I get the soul of the creator, as in Chinese we call it the ultimate. That's why they figure infinity. That in the interaction from this, you go back to one.